Good morning, Monday. Bouncing around. Did a bid in Denver, doing a grind to Denver, then a bid, then a grind, then maybe 2 bids and a grind, and then 2 more bids. So less work, more bidding today, but a bunch of stuff I got to get through. So a little tired, dragging a little bit. Hope you guys had an awesome weekend. Let's get to work. Let's make some chips. We'll see you in a bit. Pretty cool. The trees are starting to wake up. About time. That's it. That's all. Your boy's tired. I'm going to bed as soon as I get home. Skid steer and grass stuff at my house tomorrow. Back to grinding on Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'll see you Wednesday.